everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 15th to the 19th of May 2023 on Monday. So, one hlelo back at work where he can keep a close eye on her. Everyone is still in high spirit from their win at the ballet competition. Mrs. Madlala get busted on Tuesday. The cracks in Sipo's soft life start to unravel. Mrs. Madlala managed to escape from prison by the skin of her teeth on Wednesday. The local police officers are left feeling incompetent when the new SIU officers show them what they are made of. Mbata is on a high and no one can stop him. Sibonelo fights Nomaswazi's control on Thursday. Njinji is over the moon to hear of her enemy's downfall. Sipo's insecurities cost him dearly and Mzimba strike back on Mbata on Friday. Sipo's lies finally catch up with him. Lily is pissed that Mrs. Madlala disrespected the law. Mzimba's video could ruin Mbata's reputation and KFC as a whole. Well, guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.